Hey, using your phone behind the wheel.
No,
I can see. Yeah, you're holding it though.
What are you recording me for?
Because I want to.
Yeah, I can hear you.
You were speeding along back there like a maniac towards those pedestrians crossing.
So what are you recording me for?
Because I want to.
Why?
Because I'm allowed to.
Why are you allowed to?
Sorry?
So why are you allowed to record me?
Carry on. There's a big gap in front of you.
No, I'm careful. I see what's ahead of me. You want to stay in your bike lane, do you?
Which bike lane is that? Where all your mates are parked in it.
That's not my mates.
I don't have to ride in the bike lane.
You have to.
That's not what the highway code says.
That's what it says.
I think you need some remedial driving lessons, mate.
No, I've got 0 points.
I got, but I don't know the highway code, and I'm a driver.
Because you're on this side of the road.
Yes.
You're on this side of the road.
Carry on. They're all waiting for you.
Put your camera back on.
No.
You're on that side of the road. You're supposed to this side or left hand side.
I'm allowed on either side of the
No,
road.
you're not allowed to. When you go on the right hand side, when you're turning off from the dual carriage.
You're going to get a real ripping on YouTube when people see what you think is good riding.
Doesn't matter because you turn your camera off.
Carry on.
No, I don't carry. You carry on.
No, I'm not going in front of you.
Why?
Why should I go in front of you? I don't trust you.
Because you got nothing better to do in your life.
You want to get out? Don't do that.
I don't care. I'll put my seat on. I can do what I like, innit? Yeah.
Yeah,
And
come on.
You're on the wrong side lane. You're on the wrong side of the lane.
That's not
I'm
true
on
at
the right
all.
side of
I'm
the lane.
allowed to filter here.
Huh?
I'm allowed to ride here.
Why?
Why not? Just carry on. Look, they're all waiting for
Are
you.
you going right? You're going this side, on the right side.
No, I'm filtering on the offside. It's quite normal.
Why? You don't do that. It's not allowed to do that.
I think you need some driving lessons.
It's not there. It's not there. You can't go on this side lane. You'll be on this side lane till you turn, innit?
Bye bye, silly man.
Go, innit? You just haters, innit? That's what you are. You're proper haters. That's what you are, innit? Proper haters, innit?
Toba.
Someone's doing well in life, yeah. You hate that. That's what it is, innit?
Just go.
Someone doing well in their life, yeah. Why people always hate that, innit?
Whatever, I don't care. I'm not interested.
That's what it's true, innit?
Just carry on. Just carry on.
When someone's doing well in their life, you hate that, innit? That's why you're walking off, innit? When someone's doing well in their life, you hate that. When somebody else-
Nobody cares. Just carry on. Carry on, mate. He was on his phone, that's why. I called him, so he was upset. Have a good day. He was on his phone.